Set the brake so the stroller stays steady. Adjust the handle to its lowest position and fold the canopy back. You can also lock the front swivel wheels, so that way the stroller will stand on its own once folded. Now press the button and lift the release lever up to fold the seat forward onto itself. This works in either seat direction. Pull the fold strap on the bottom of the seat to bring the stroller fully together. You can carry it using the same strap for easy transport. If you locked the front wheels, the stroller should stand on its own. To fold without the seat, press the folding buttons on the seat mounts. Fold the stroller down. Without the seat, it'll stand on the handle and front wheels. To open it back up, pull up on the handlebar and push the frame open until you hear a click. Give it a gentle press to make sure it's solid and you're ready to stroll.